Good morning, students. Welcome to my class. Okay, so today we will be studying English literature. So we shall start from lesson 10. The previous lessons you have completed. So today we will discuss lesson 10. Okay, you can see clearly. Here we have lesson 10. The topic is remote control kid. Okay, the topic is remote control kid. So this lesson is all about like drama, or we can say that it is a conversation, like 2 or 3 persons talking with each other. There is a mom, then we have Tony, then their dad is there, then another character called Daisy. Okay, so this is a family. Okay, what is happening in the family they are discussing. So remote control kid, this is the topic. So they have a remote, and there is a kid. Okay, there is a small kid. How the little kid is having some problem with the remote control, and what happened we are going to discuss in details here. So before explanation, we will just read this first page. Okay, you can see your book, you can open the page 71, then you can just listen to me while I read. You just listen carefully. Okay, then you also can read. So we have some new words here. Okay, we have some new words. First one is launch, then microchip, delicious, offstage, swallows, talking, morning, fussing, and teases. Okay, these are the new words, and also we will find some more new words as we read this lesson. Then I can give you the meanings of these new words, then you can study at home. Then what we have to do is for your homework, you have to read this lesson, not one time, at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, you have to read the lesson. So what happens, the more you read, the more you understand. You will come to understand better. So you have to read. Everyone must read the book in your home. So now we will read. Okay, I am reading. You listen carefully. Okay, you listen carefully. How I pronounce the words, how we read, you have to listen carefully. Okay, so first one we have is scene 1. I have told you this is like a drama. This is like a drama, like sometimes we perform in the stage. जो प्ले बोलते हैं, जो ड्रामा होता है, जब हम एनुअल फंक्शन या कोई भी प्रोग्राम में परफॉर्म करते हैं तो ड्रामा भी होता है. लाइक वहाँ पे कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, वो अपना अपना कैरेक्टर निभाते हैं. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. सो सीन 1. Okay, Tony, his sister Daisy and their dad are sitting in the lounge of their house. Tony is gobbling sweets from a box. Dad is trying to fix the remote control for their video. Daisy is watching TV. Mom is in the kitchen. Okay, this is scene 1. Then what happens? Their conversation is beginning. So what mom is saying? Mom, off stage. Tony, come and help me with the dinner. Tony, wait a minute, Mom. Let me finish my sweets. Mom, sweets? You shouldn't be eating sweets before your dinner. Then Dad, Tony, we shall have dinner together. Please come here first and help me bend this remote control. Tony, okay, Dad. Dad, here, hold this microchip. Tony, okay, Dad. Dad, mind you, be careful with it. Without this, the remote control won't work. Tony, okay, Dad. Okay, today we will only discuss this first page of the lesson. Okay, then in the next class or in the next video, I will explain to you the next page. Okay, so first is scene 1. In the beginning, what happened? Scene 1, first scene, then we will have second scene, then third scene in the drama. Okay, so here it is exactly like a drama. So in the first scene, what happened? Tony, his sister Daisy and their dad are sitting in the lounge of their house. Okay, so we have Tony, then her sister, then their dad. Okay, where are they? They are sitting in the lounge of their house. Lounge means, you know, lounge means जो balcony होता है, it's like a resting place where we can sit and relax, or we can chat with each other, okay, talk with each other. Then Tony is gobbling sweets from a box. Three of them they are sitting, okay, three of them they are sitting, but what they are doing? Tony is gobbling sweets. You can see here Tony is eating some sweets. He is having a box here and he is taking a sweet and putting in his mouth, means he is eating sweets. Then dad is trying to fix the remote control for their video. You see, dad is here, okay, he is dad, so he is fixing the remote control. It has some problem, मतलब कि वो खराब हुआ था, okay, so he is repairing, he is making it proper, okay. Then what mother is doing? So Daisy is watching TV. So you can see Daisy is sitting and watching TV. Then mom is in the kitchen. Their mother is in the kitchen. Okay. So what is Tony doing? Tony is gobbling sweets. What is father doing? Father is making remote control for their video. And Daisy is watching TV and mother is in the kitchen preparing some food. Okay. Now in the stage we will start this one. What happened in the stage? Mom. First character we have is mom. Mom is saying off stage. She is not in the stage, but behind the stage she is saying, Tony, come and help me with the dinner. She is calling to Tony. She is calling out to Tony and telling, come here and help me to prepare dinner. Then Tony is saying, wait a minute, mom, let me finish my sweets. So what happened here? Tony was eating some sweets. So he is telling to mother, please wait for me sometimes. Let me finish my sweets. First, let me eat all sweets, then I will come and help you. He is telling to his mother. Then mom is saying, sweets? You shouldn't be eating sweets before your dinner. Okay? So it was already dinner time. So you should not eat sweets before your dinner. मतलब कि रात का जो खाना होता है उसको हम dinner बोलते हैं. So before eating dinner, you should not eat sweets. मतलब कि डिनर खाने का टाइम हो गया है, उससे पहले वो स्वीट्स खा रहा था, इसलिए मदर इज टेलिंग दैट यू शुड नॉट ईट स्वीट्स. देन डैड इज टेलिंग मीनवाइल, मतलब डैड इज ऑल्सो स्पीकिंग, टॉनी we shall have dinner together. Please come here first and help me mend this remote control. The dad is telling that Tony, we all will be eating dinner together because mother was preparing dinner. So as soon as the dinner preparing is finished, they will all sit and eat together. So he is telling that you come to me and help me to repair this remote control for the video. So that this work also will finish, mother's cooking also will finish, then we all can sit together and eat our food or eat our dinner. Okay, Tony is saying, okay dad. He is saying yes to his dad. Then dad is telling, here, hold this microchip. Then he is taking out the microchip from here and he is giving to Tony. And he is telling him that to hold the microchip. Okay. Then dad also is telling that mind you, be careful with it. Without this, the remote control won't work. He is telling that hold the microchip properly. Okay. Don't get distracted. Hold the microchip properly and let it not lose. अगर वो खो जाएगा, अगर suppose that microchip will be lost, then they cannot do video games. So he is telling that hold the microchip properly. Without the microchip it will not work, remote control will not work. So Tony is telling okay dad. So for everything he is telling yes to his dad. Okay, this is the explanation of this first page. So for your homework what you can do is please read this one. Okay, 4 to 5 times you have to read, and you have to understand the lesson carefully. Okay, so for today this is enough. We can study in the next video. Okay, till then thank you and have a nice day.